Welcome back to Visibility Hacking Radio.
Welcome back to Visibility Hacking Radio. Today, we will be exploring the world of dynamic demonstrations and the powerful Porch Park Party content strategy that we use in the visibility hacking world. These marketing techniques can help businesses captivate their audiences and engage customers at different stages in their journey. So let's dive into these concepts and discuss how you can harness their power and boost your marketing efforts.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
Now let's discuss Porch Park Party content strategy. This framework helps businesses and entrepreneurs and brands engage customers at different stages of their journey, different levels of intimacy and familiarity with your brand. Park content is the top of the funnel. It targets a broad audience and aims to generate awareness. We say park because when you're out in the world, when you're out in your neighborhood and you go over to the park, you can start talking to people, but not everyone is going to resonate with your message. But it's a great place to meet new people and to potentially connect with those new audiences. But again, it's that top of the funnel. You're looking to attract a much more broader audience before we funnel them down to find your ideal customers. The next step down, though, is when you invite people from the park. You say, hey, those few of you I met today, you are my people. So I'm going to invite you over to have a lemonade on my front porch. This is what we call porch content. It's much more intimate, inviting those interested individuals to join your mailing list, to engage with you in a deeper level. We also like to say that our Facebook profile page is part of our porch content, where we can fully control what is posted there. We don't feel spammy talking about our offers on our own page, but we would feel spammy if we were just walking into a public group and spamming or posting our offer everywhere. It's like going to the park, talking about your offer and expecting those people to convert. Whereas when you have that next level of intimacy, you've invited them over to your place, you know that these people are resonating with that conversation, you're much more likely to get a conversion out of that. But we have yet another step. The final step is the party content. This is tailored to those who have identified themselves as your potential customers. Focusing on your offer and initiating the sales process is what you're doing in this step. So you've attracted people, you've kind of waved out there in the broad audience, said, hey, this is what I'm into, collected the people who are into that, warmed them up as well, and now they're ready to purchase, so you're sharing your offer. That is the very simple park porch party strategy, or we just call it the Triple P strategy. To effectively implement dynamic demonstrations in the park, porch, party, or the 3P content strategy, it's essential to understand your target audience and to create content that appeals to them at each stage in your customer journey, in their journey with your brand. So for example, park content might include engaging social media posts and blog articles that pique the interest of a much wider audience. Your porch content could be a series of email newsletters and personalized content shared on your Facebook profile. And then finally, your party content could be your sales page, your product demos, or your targeted advertising campaigns that speak directly to your ideal customers' needs. By harnessing the power of dynamic demonstrations and the 3P content strategy, you can create engaging marketing campaigns that captivate your audience and move them along their customer journey. These techniques can help you stand out in a crowded marketplace, boost your brand awareness, and ultimately increase conversions. So there you have it. A general overview of dynamic demonstrations and the 3P content strategy. By implementing these concepts in your marketing efforts, you too can create memorable experiences and more effectively engage with your audience. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in our next one. Remember, I love you, and be excellent to each other.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.